Hello and welcome to the Sioux City Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2008 New Holland BR7090. Let's take a closer look at the features on this round baler. This BR7090 produces 5x6 foot bales in its variable bale chamber and features a mega tooth hydraulic pickup with dual gauge wheels, along with an electronic monitor, hydraulic bale tensioner, and bale kicker. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR7090. If you are interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 877-866-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.